This should be good. All right, we're good. Good. All right, let's do this. We have 45 seconds until we're live. Well, the market opens. So I really want to see a sweep right here. All right, we're open. We are open. Let's see if we can let's see if we can take out that low. Let's see if we can take that low out. Let's see. Holy cow. Hello. I didn't think it'd do that. Well, we just took out London. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're just absolutely dumping right now. Yo, thank you for liking the live, Logan. Appreciate you, dude. Holy. I need to adjust here. So, looks like we just entered that 15-minute gap. 30-minute zone. Which is also an hourly gap fill. 30-minute gap fill. Alright, so let's see if we can... Let's see if we can inverse, guys. As of right now, I'm looking for longs. We can hold this zone. We just took out... We just swept out London lows and Asia lows. Dear Lord. We might be weaker than I thought. So we do have FOMC today at 2. So I'm gonna be a little more careful today in terms of sizing. So we'll see what happens. See what happens. So we can inverse this 1 minute bearish gap, and I'll look for longs, but we kind of push down pretty aggressively through that zone, which I'm not a fan of considering we just broke a zone that retested 4 times, like with ease. So I'm trying to figure out if I want that or not. That could be kind of risky. So as of right now, we'll just kind of chill. I'm gonna see if we'll get a reaction of this gap above us. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. And we might look-y just flush right now. And if that's the case, we might be taking no trades today, but we'll see. I still have a 30-minute zone around 27.92. Worst case if we keep dumping. Because then that's another hourly gap. Actually, but if we were to like keep dumping, right? We're gonna keep dumping. I have a gap down here, which is a 30-minute demand zone, and I brought it down to a 15. See, I broke it down. You have your initial candle, right? Your initial body. We push up, we create that gap, we keep going higher. That's why I have that zone. Right now, it looks like we're respecting the first one, which is what I prefer. So let's see what happens here. Again, I'm not gonna go crazy today, considering this is Jerome Powell's last meeting with the open committee, so might just be a chill kind of day. Unless I see a nice move to the upside, but we might just kind of trend down. Let's see if we create so as of right now, we are slowly developing a bearish push down with possibly a 15-minute supply zone. But we won't know that until like 10 a.m. That's what I know. Alright, that's good. So we have some internal sweep happening. So you can hold that. We might be just low-key bearish today. Not gonna lie. Let's see what happens. What? Live restricted for some audiences? What? What does that mean? Yo, it's got a restriction? We can't be for real right now. Yo, what? How did I get a restriction already? I didn't even do anything. I guess. Yo. That's kind of crazy. You just like porked everything I just did. Yeah, I'm making mod. Let's give you mod, Adam. Wow. That just really stinks that he just did that. Hopefully that goes away. Bro, people will be so weird. Whatever. Alright, so we are... currently trying to respect this gap. We're still pretty bearish. Yeah, so... Alright, let's see what we can do here. Looks like we're still respecting bearish flow. Now we just wait for a flip. That really stinks. You just like screwed up everything. Ah. It's all good. Okay, I just blocked that kid, bro. Alright, let's try this again. Like, what is that, bro? Freaking dude. Alright, let's see if we can flip this. We had an internal sweep in the zone. I'm not really liking this though. We're getting some we had a bunch of accumulation going on over here. But it's a little too far for me. I would probably want more of a push down. What I'm trying to see here. Let's see if we can maintain. Let's see here. What the flash goal? What? Oh, what is all this? What What the heck is a flat? What's an ice cream cone? I don't know what that means, but. Alright, so we're respecting that zone pretty good right now. Now I'm just kind of waiting to see how we react. We could just march higher, but I need more, I need more accumulation, because the other one we used was kind of mid. Kind of mid. I think we're still respecting that gap. See what happens here. Alright, come on, baby. Let's see if we can flip this. So far, we're respecting it. I wouldn't mind seeing it push down. And then make it low to validate it. But, well, technically validate it in this case. It's bearish. Accumulation, though, is not that good. It's not that good. I'm not gonna take this manipulation move off this fair value gap because the accumulation is not that good. It really isn't that good, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for some more chop. If that makes sense. Yeah, I'll show you what I mean. So basically, we have this nice accumulation right here. Right, it was perfect for my first zone that was down here. But then we just completely broke through it. We tested this other zone. So now I'm waiting for a different type of accumulation. So now I'm gonna want like probably something like this. And we build. I want to see us now build some structure, manipulate, then go higher. Like something like that. You know what I mean? That's what I would want. But in the meantime, we need to wait for price to give us something to work with here. I was thinking the same thing now. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. I have to turn my phone off real quick. Hold on. I'll be right back. I promise. All right. So guys, welcome in. You just took out London low. We have internal sweep. Let's see if we can flip this here. Ugh. Freaking people. Look at my count band, man. My gosh. I restart my live. Alright, let's see if we can push higher here. See what we can do. I want to see this gap, this inverse get flipped. We're starting to accumulate here. Slowly. We are slowly starting to accumulate. Looks like we're trying to flip. Here we go. Alright, that's a good push up. I could have taken... I was really waiting for this thing to break, and it just did. We had some internal show you. We had an internal sweep right here, right? We swept some internal liquidity in the zone. Then I was hoping for this kind of to pop, close in, and then pull back. We had some accumulation. I could have used the bigger one, right? The bigger accumulation kind of over time, like this. But that was my other zone. So I was like, So I might just wait for some more confirmation before I think about taking longs. Because today is still FOMC. There's an interest rate decision today at 2 p.m. So now I'm just gonna probably take it easy today. I'm probably not gonna take anything if I see anything like perfect. Because it's gonna be probably a little slow. A little slow today. Alright, come on. Let's see if we can... I wouldn't mind low-key, like another dump down. Or something like... Be kind of like push down. Yeah, I really wouldn't mind seeing us go push up, come down, sweep down here, and then push back up towards previous day in New York session highs. I wouldn't mind seeing that. But obviously that's in a perfect world. So we're just gonna... Yeah. No, do not comment anything bad. I just got a restriction on my last live like 5 minutes ago. For the love of God. But yes, I was. That's too funny, man. Yeah, someone literally just came in my live a bit ago and was like trolling my comment section and got me a restriction. I'm hoping I don't get like banned. I'm trying to be like a good person. Alright, looks like we're pushing higher here. Oh, we were really respecting that inverse now. So I could have technically... taken something along these lines. And target probably London highs. Something like that. But... again, I'm taking it pretty slow today. Because this is Powell's last speech today. So there's a good chance he might pull a fast one on us. Alright, looks like we're maintaining bullish structure though. Oh, we're pumping now. I could have taken it, but the initial reaction just wasn't that good. Wasn't good enough for me, to be honest. Let's see here. We can. It was a good entry, but I had no accumulation. Like I did, but it was from the. I had accumulation for the other zone, not this one. So that's why I didn't want to take it. So now, right now, I'm just gonna sit in my hands and kind of just wait. See what happens. We might just low-key grind higher. Would not surprise me. The hourly and 30-minute look pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Like really good. As we just took out a lot of liquidity in session lows, which is what you want for like reversals. Because we were dumping low key last night, Asia session to this morning. So let's see if we can do a pullback here. Probably like a 50 for. Low key that maybe in the bottom of the day. Not gonna lie. I could have been the bottom. But today I'm not gonna be as aggressive today, only because of the meeting. And volatility starts spiking around that 1:50 p.m. And the overall movement is low key kind of buns, like from now till 2. And then he talks at 2:30. So I'm gonna kind of just chill. Which I know is kind of boring, but this business is boring, so watching candlesticks form every minute, yeah. Wouldn't say it's the most exciting thing ever. So it pays you. So let's see here, I'll show you. So my initial entry this morning, right, we had a 15-minute zone, right here, right? So this zone, we had 1 touch point, 2 touch point, 3 touch point, 4 touch point. So the fact that this thing broke wasn't that surprising, because the more times you retest a zone, the weaker it becomes. So with that zone, I was watching I was watching this accumulation going on here. So this is really good, right? I was waiting for that sweep into the zone at market open, but we just dumped. So that's why I didn't take the entry off of this accumulation because we blew through this zone. So I was waiting for another accumulation to happen, which we never got. And we had something. That's like really small, but we had something kind of built in here, but we kind of just broke out of it. So probably won't take anything unless we make a new low, which would be pretty improbable. Again, I could have taken it, but I'm being a little more, I guess, lenient or safer today than I normally would be. I mean, this only happens once a month, so no big deal. Ooh. Now we just wait. We just sit here and wait. We had this 1 minute fair value gap down here. We retested it. Pretty good, actually. I could have taken, I guess, like 3 contracts off of that, but I wouldn't call it the best trade. Probably 4 or 5. I'm taking probably 4 contracts off of that gap below. But again, it's on a normal day I would. It's no big deal. Not gonna force anything. Yeah. Dude, what? It's got another restriction. What? Is a restriction? What do you mean? Um, Slide did not have that. What? Yeah, we gotta be kidding me right now. I have a restriction because someone commented something? Wow. I have 2 restrictions now? Dude. What? I guess I have a restriction now? Wow. I didn't even do anything. Well, that's a bummer. Yeah, I guess it's saying I'm not allowed to share this now? What? You gotta be kidding me. Well, at least some of you guys are in, but weird. I'm gonna have to like appeal that or something. Alright. That's really dumb. Well, if you made it in here, congrats. Because, well, and so I think you're the only one who can actually watch my live. I don't know what happened. Weird. It's a bummer. It's okay. Yeah, we're kind of chopping around, which is not a bad thing. Still, if we can retest the zone again. Pumped. Probably not. Alright. We're still kind of just doing nothing right now. I mean, I expected a boring day today. Wow, I still have restrictions. I don't know how to get rid of that. What the heck, man? Well, I hope you guys can see my screen. Can you guys even see my screen? Can you guys like hear me or anything? Let me know. Let me know if you guys can see my screen clearly, or like hear my voice. It's saying I have 2 restrictions for some reason. I don't understand. I don't understand. Some kid commented something on a different thing. It's kind of frustrating. Yep, so I'm still just waiting for us to kind of like just slowly come down here. But we could see something like this happen. We take out this accumulation and then we manipulate, so it'll be something like this. You know, shoot. Why is that working? Oh, yeah. You kind of go like, woo, boom, push down, and then push up towards London highs. That's what I want to see. Consolidate, 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 consolidate. Boom. Keep consolidation low out with a nice tail. Volume preferred. CPM inversion. Enter, and then target London highs. That's what I would kind of aim for. That's the goal. If you guys want to see my full screen, you can go on my YouTube or Kick. It's my exact same username at Moonbuck Trades. I actually have like, music playing and stuff. Cause I can't go I can't go live on TikTok like on my computer until May 11th. It's like I have to wait 30 days or something. I don't know. TikTok is looking kind of strict. Not gonna lie, but I don't know why I got a restriction though. So how do I like get rid of that? Hmm. How to get rid of? See if we can fix this. Restricted mode. What the? Let's see what this can do. Yeah, I apologize for the very anticlimactic stream right now. Trying to figure this out. This is not helping me at all. What the heck? Wait, am I like banned? I am so confused. Let's see if I can fix that. Oh, here we go. Wait, so I just have to eat this? What? What do I do? What? Oh no, I'm cooked. I said I have no financial advice. Yeah. What does that mean? What? Alright, well, I'm just gonna sit here, I guess, and consolidate. Oh, I think I'm cooked. I think I'm cooked. We'll have to end this live. I don't know what to do. What a bummer. I don't know why it did that to me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to end this. Well, anyways. There's some good accumulation happening. Gotta wait for some manipulation. I have to maybe try again later. I gotta figure this out. So whoever's watching this, thank you. I have restrictions, so I gotta figure this out. Ah, it's so frustrating. I got DDoSed. What the heck do I do? I don't know how to fix this. Hmm. I don't know, man. Oh, Frank Motion View. I appreciate the follow. Just noticed that. Go, brother. Appreciate you, man. Oh yeah. I was just so distracted on my TikTok ban. I'm like so confused. W man, man. W man. Now we're still kind of just. Wow, this is a very boring day. I'm probably not trading today. Waiting for this TikTok ban though. I mean, I don't know. I didn't do anything. All right, so let's see. I have to do an appeal here. System. Do like a live thing. Not sure. I'm not sure how this stuff works. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how this works. Support maybe? Hmm. I'll watch a video on it. Okay. Alright. Oh, okay. Count. Report a problem. Count. Submit report. Let's see. Let's see. Wow, this is just doing nothing. Holy macaroni. This is brutal. This is brutal. I don't know if any of you guys know how to do this? Appeal report. Like, how do you know if you have like a restriction? how would I know? How do I know my life is restricted? Oh, looks like we're trying to pop up here. Okay. TikTok Studio. Live. Rules and guidelines. Rules and guidelines. I'm not seeing it anywhere. Submit? Oh, why? I have live restrictions due to someone's comment that I blocked and deleted. Had nothing to do with me or what I said. Any help? Oh, we're breaking out now, huh? Submit an appeal. Oh, now we're really breaking out, jeez. So we did nothing all day. And now, you know, I'm kind of glad I didn't take this because this is just poor delivery. How do I know if my lives have restriction? Wow, this is boring. Okay, you could. Okay. If I want to go live, am I chilling? I don't see any like restrictions or anything. I just don't understand. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of confused. I'm kind of confused what's going on. Wow, we're really pushing up now. I could have taken that I could have taken that gap down here. Oh, wrong here. I could have taken this like down here, but I'm good. I'll just sit here and do nothing. Okay. What? Saying I had sexual content? I didn't even do anything. That's BS, man. How come every time I go, I'm gonna look it up. How come every time I go live on TikTok, it's so restricted? Here, how do I turn off restricted mode? Oh. I really should have kids in my thing anyways, because it's. Go to your profile. Okay. Profile. 3 dots. Settings and privacy. Content preferences. I don't see that. Oh. Restricted mode. It is off. What? Oh. I'm gonna try one. I think I'm gonna try one more time. Let me try one more time. Yeah. I feel like I would see something. I don't see anything. Like I have nothing in my system notification saying I'm like banned or anything. Let's see. Oh wow, we're like kind of going higher. Jeez. I mean, London High was my target, so. Let's try this. Try this one more time. Shoot. trying this. I'm gonna try this one more time. Wait a minute. Let's see if that works. It's not even load. No. Looks like we're just, yeah, we're just ripping now. We just hit London. Yeah, we just swept out London High. What is all that? Settings? Let's see. See if anything happen. Oh my gosh. This thing is ripped. Dang. Holy moly. What just happened? Yo, welcome back, Sab. I'm sorry I had to end live. Alright. We might be actually pushing up to the zone. Not gonna lie. We can take out. Oh, if we had a zone above Asia Session High, you probably kind of cooked. Let's see what we can do. I wouldn't mind seeing a big push to the upside. Let's see. Why is my camera doing that? It's low key, like horrible quality. Man, you know. Let's try that. Alright, anyways, at this point I'm looking for a push up. Let's see if we can push up here. Again, I'm probably not gonna take any trades today. Because FMC is now, yeah, it's basically 10:40, so it's in like 4 hours. I mean, it's most likely gonna be oh, it's good flash. How are you, bro? Let's see. Can I comment, you guys? Always. Here. So you guys can see that. Jeez, my camera is like dirty. Hold on. I'm having a rough sesh today. Yo. No. Don't even think about it. Alright. If I get a single restriction, I'm gonna freak out. What's up, Flash? I don't know if you're still in here, but I hope you're doing good, man. Or Frank Motion, I don't know. You're still in here? I mean, W follow. W follow. Why is the glare so bad? I don't know. I'm only taking anything if we can we hit that zone. Looks like we tried to push past Asia session high, but we failed. OMG. Yo, can these like gold guys like stop? How do you like block numbers or like words? Is there like keywords I can block? You know, if I see one more gold comment, I'm gonna freak out. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I'm just still waiting for that zone. We took out one session highs, as I expected. We just had. Well, that was like an hour and a half trade. I'm not doing that. That's insane. I apologize for the horrible glare. I think I dropped my phone. And it did something to the camera. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why it looks like that. I do apologize for that. Let's see if we can fill this hourly gap here. Yeah. More like a 30-minute, actually. But wait, when you guys join, does this say I have a restriction? Or is it good? I'm like actually curious. Like, does it say like is anything weird? I've had to restart twice now. Okay, I keep getting restrictions for no reason. There. Oh, you wait. What we made? Yes, we made a new 15-minute. Looks like we made a new. Dude, that looks horrible. What is going on? I'm gonna like wipe off my camera. Well, that does not look good. Anyways, we had a 15-minute gap. Demand. We pushed up. And then so that's our new zone. Will you wipe off the camera? Feel a little bit better. Gracious. That's insane. What about the glare? I'm not gonna lie. The whole trade stream malfunction Loki distracted me. So I think we're trying to get some accumulation up here. But too bad we're not in a zone though. We haven't taken out Asia session highs yet. We're kind of just at this point chopping around. Let's see if we can. I wouldn't mind a push up right now. That's what I would like to see. So far, so good. Gosh, I'm joking. Come on, baby. Give me something. Come on. Want a nice push to the upside right now. So I can look for shorts. Okay, I don't understand why my camera looks so horrible right now. Like, I'm actually so confused. So I deeply apologize for the atrocious quality. Alright, if we can get a push up to the zone, I would really like that, because, let's see. I mean, Ari's getting... I'm hoping we break to the upside, but we kind of like a fake out and like a big topping tail in on the 30-minute and hourly. We haven't even taken out Aegis Session high yet, so a good chance we're definitely going higher, which is like what I want to see. Let's see what we can do here. If you guys want to see my full screen, you can go on my Kick or YouTube. It's just Moonbuck Trades, my profile. You're gonna actually full screen. Now some cracked like camera looking view. I don't know why it looks so bad. But so far today, I've taken no trades. With FOMC at 2 p.m. today, I'm good. I'm good. Too much volatility to me. Around that 150, you're gonna see volatility start spiking. And he speaks at 2:30. And it's Jerome Powell's last speech. So I'm not really sure what he's gonna say. Basically, today I was looking for longs. This morning, as we dipped down into the zone, I only didn't take it because of accumulation. I had good accumulation right here. So market open, we dumped. I was waiting for this inverse to happen, and it did, but then it violated my first zone. Oh shit, I mean, get rid of this. The 15-minute, my first zone was right here. Boom. Right. Go back on 1 minute. So here's market open. That same accumulation. Right. Boom, boom, boom. Manipulate, but then we just dump to the zone. Right. So the accumulation now is low-key worthless to me because we went to the zone I was looking at. We went to another zone. So I was like, okay, cool, bet. I was hoping we would do something with this, right? This little quick one, but then we just popped up, and then we went higher. So nothing for me so far. Right now we're building a really good base. So I would love to see a pop up. Here, I would love to see us go like this, you know. Consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. Blast out. Take out Asia Session High. And then we dump back down. That's what I'd want to see. Those are pretty... Whoa. What is happening? I don't want... There's a good chance, though, that we just consolidate for a long time, only because we have that meeting soon. I'll get rid of this. So now we're just kind of in a waiting period. Just boring, but alright. Oh. Because right now I'm still taking nothing. It's 10:55, so I usually don't trade after 11. I'll hang around for a bit, but I'm not gonna trade. It's not worth it. Wouldn't mind a little Trump tweet right now. Let's see, have he tweeted anything? Probably. The sign in. Alright, let's see what we can do. Looks like we're kind of riding the 90 minute right now. 1 minute. And this zone above is a 30 minute broken down to a 15 minute. So I also have higher time frame bias. Right? 30 minute zone. Then turn into a 15 minute zone, you can tell, and then that's what I'm waiting for. The quicker we pop into it and reject it, the stronger the zone is. So that's what I'm kind of hoping for. But we could just flush, we could just... do nothing. In the meantime, we just gotta chill. You guys took any trades today. I hope you guys won. I mean, it's always good to win, right? Just as long as you guys make sure you're winners and we're gonna be losers, trading is a very profitable business. I can promise you that. There we go. Let's do a little pop. Low volume though, so I'm really hoping for a big pop with volume. But we'll see. I've had to restart my live 2 times today because I had like restrictions. I don't think I have them anymore. I don't think I do. But we'll see. If someone commented like a bad comment and then TikTok like AI like moderation system freaked out. And like cut my viewers in like half. Before that, I was averaging like 10 views, and that's a lot to me. I might low-key go live later though, and do some back testing with y'all. I think that'd be good. I think it'll be good. We're still just consolidating, which is good. The bigger the base we have, that pop's gonna really help. I might look still be restricted, but I think if a new day goes by, I think the restrictions might be lifted. I'm not really sure. Actually, let's look it up. You TikTok live restrictions. Get lifted the next day. Let's see what it says. $30 days. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's really cute. Trade. No, it's really cute, bro. We'll be seeing ya. We'll be seeing ya. We're still kind of chopping around here. Alright, I finished past 11, so I'm not taking any trades. So let's see. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Yo, this. That's really annoying. How do I get rid of that? Pick these people. Turn on community flagged comment filtering? What does that mean? We'll hide new comments based on what our community mutes, blocks, reports, and live. No, no. Add a mute rule to everyone who comments. Oh. Okay, let's do that. I'm not trying to see this stuff anymore. I'm kind of new to this whole like streaming thing, so I'm kind of figuring everything out. In terms of like modding and stuff. Well, so we might. Might break down from the zone. No? We're holding it. I think I'm still kind of. I'm thinking I'm still like shadow banned. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Try using. What does that mean? I don't know what that means, but. Fan club? Oh, people can like join a fan club? Interesting. Alright, let's go. We're about to break down from this zone. This consolidation area. But to be honest, though, it doesn't really matter to me because I wanted a pop up to the upside. So I could honestly care less if this thing dumps. Again, I'm not taking any trades today. No, sir. No trades for me. Right now I'm just kind of chilling. Let's see if we can push back up here. There we go. Come on. I'll give it like part to 11:10. I'll call it. I think something's still going on my account. I want to give it time to like almost like cool down maybe. We'll see. Oh, looks like we're starting to break down here. What my like little mini fake out? We ripped up to the upside. Take out that Asia session high and hit that zone, the 15 and 30. But we might just might flush here. Might just flush. Again, today's a pretty boring day. I could have taken those longs this morning, but I don't know. I just didn't like it. I could have. Wait for the reaction. I mean, we did push lower without it. Wait for the reaction. You know, 4 contract or something. Target London highs. I probably would have been in the trade for like 2 hours, but probably New York session. Make target equal highs. Oh, looks like we're starting to kind of dump now. This is borderline useless. It's drawing. So we have a 15-minute zone down here that we're slowly approaching. Which should also be filling a 30-minute gap. Yeah, I'll show you. Here. Alright, so we're slowly approaching a gap in right here in the 30-minute. We just entered it. So I'm looking for that 15-minute zone to get retraced into, because it's an obvious demand zone. As we grab an internal liquidity, push up to the upside, broke structure to the upside, left the gap on okay volume, nothing crazy, but that's the only way I'm going long. Obviously this trade's way better in the morning when the section lows aren't taken out yet, but oh, my camera quality is really bad today. I don't know what's going on with that. Let's see what we do. I might be calling it here though soon. I might come back live for the meeting, just to kind of explain to you guys like what's going on. You don't know. Yeah. Just give you guys. Yeah, probably I might go live like at like 2 p.m. But I'm gonna wait because this is gonna be Powell's last speech, like ever, because he's retiring. And it's gonna be Kevin Harsh coming to him, and he just got approved because he avoided that lawsuit. But actually we just entered that zone. So we just entered that 15-minute zone after retracing. So here's really the definition of accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Right. This time we accumulated. We had no manipulation. I would like to see like a move up the zone, then down. I'm gonna W trade, but nothing we knew about it. But yeah, my 2 lives today this morning, they got restricted for some reason. So I'm gonna try again tomorrow or later today at the meeting at 2. Didn't speak until 2:30. And see if I still have restrictions. For someone commented something. I can't say it, I don't get banned. Wasn't even that bad. But for some reason it thought it was sexual content, so but we're still dumping the zone. But if I were to ever take a trade, I'll let you guys know on my page. But I go live every day on Kick and YouTube. It's just my username, Moonbuck Trades. You'll get my full screen You see chat, everything. Like here, I'll show you. Let's see. You'll get like a full screen preview. Or my YouTube, you can see my face, you can see everything. So that is probably the better option because I can't go live on TikTok on my computer until May 11th. My account has to be 30 days old at least. So in the meantime, I'll have to go in here. And for some reason, my camera was like really dirty today, so I apologize for that. But yeah, it was a pretty boring day. The market pretty choppy, and I had some serious issues with TikTok Live. So hopefully, I can sort that out and get it fixed. So, peace, guys. Peace out, gang.